staff meeting, tired and worn, half asleep. If he got up, looked around, said something dumb, a trite phrase they found. Remember your why? We rolled our eyes, shook our heads, filled the room with sighs. Well, the good old days are far behind, of no emails or test deadlines. Remember your why is an insulting thing to say to us, the hard work we bring. PLCs, staff meetings, supervision, no discipline, sped reports, errand emails, can't take much more, it's gone off the rails. Remember your why? We rolled our eyes, shook our heads, filled the room with sighs. Remember your why is an insulting thing to say to us, for the hard work we bring.